Hello everyone, this video is about receive. The warehouse staff needs to confirm the receipt of the goods when the goods arrive at the destination warehouse. And there are two ways. For the receipt, manually receive and scan to receive. Manually receive. Entrance 1, inventory transfer on the way transfer receiving. Entrance 2, inventory receive transfer receiving. You can receive the transferred list one by one or in bulk here. After confirmation of receipt, the products will stock into the warehouse immediately, and the stock quantity will increase. If the products are partially received, the status of the transfer list will move to partial reception. Scan to receive. Step 1. Go to Inventory Receive, Scan to receive. Step 2. Select Purchase Receiving or Transfer Receiving, scan or enter the purchase number, transfer number or tracking number. Step 3. Scan or input the merchant SKU or GTIN to add stocks, or you can just fill in the receive quantity and click the Receive button to confirm. After receiving successfully, you can print the SKU label for the products. If you have any further questions, please click Chat with us in the lower right corner to contact our customer service for assistance.